Guess which one of these is actually me. This one is not me.
This one is also not me.
This one right here, this is actually me. Crazy, right? And this took me less than a minute using a free AI tool. This is perfect for so many things: content creation, voiceovers, gaming, prank videos, dubbing your videos into a different voice, or even keeping your real identity private while still creating content. Let me show you exactly how. Go to ElevenLabs.io. Link is in the description. And here's the best part. You get 10,000 free credits every single month. That is around 15 minutes of voice conversion completely free. And it refreshes automatically every month. To change your voice, go to the voice changer on the left hand side. Now you can either record a new voice live or click upload to upload a file. You can add audio or video files up to 50 MB. I am uploading an audio file because it lets me use a longer duration compared to video. On the right hand side, click here to select a voice. There are hundreds of voices to choose from. After selecting your voice, use the slider to choose how much stability you want. Then choose how much similarity you want between your original voice and the new voice. You can also choose whether you want to exaggerate the voice or not. There is also a toggle here to remove background noise if your audio has any. Once your settings are ready, click Generate Speech. Give it a moment and here it is. The same speech but in a completely different voice. Let's listen to it.
Guess which one of these is actually me. This one is not me. This one is also not me.
Honestly, the output is amazing. The accent sounds natural, the words are exactly as spoken, and it does not sound morphed or fake at all. Click the download icon and then click download to save it to your PC. One important thing, please use this responsibly. Only use your own voice or voices you have permission to use. Never impersonate someone without their consent. It can lead to legal issues and in many cases it's a crime. So that is how you can change your voice completely for free using ElevenLabs. Which voice are you going to try first? Comment below and let me know. And subscribe to Tweak Library for more free AI tool tutorials like this. See you in the next one. Take care.